Okay, so today's functional skills is nothing that you have to do. I just am going to record something that I think you guys will really, really like. You've heard me before talk about how I have a Labrador, Tinker here, who likes to chase laser pointers. Hey, what's that? Tink, what's that? See, she likes it a lot. The light's not even on. Now it's on. Okay, so watch my dogs go nuts. Biddy is not such a fan. Tinker is. Okay, watch Ben go. If I put it on Biddy, they won't go after it though. Watch this one. Okay, we're gonna end my entertaining video. Watch Miss Tinky. She sees it. She's going for it. Okay, that's it. Have a good weekend. Don't forget to tell your mom Happy Mother's Day on Sunday. I'll see you all on Monday. Hope you enjoyed my dog video.